At BestReviews, we spend hours researching and testing products to help consumers simplify their purchasing decisions. Today, we're working hands-on with the DeLonghi Pinguino 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. The brand markets this portable air conditioner as quiet and smart. So smart, they say, it can sense the temperature, humidity, and where you've situated it in the room. So we tested it to see how it performed in a home environment. When shopping for a portable air conditioner, it's important to consider the size of the space that needs to be cooled, as well as the size of the unit itself, the overall energy consumption, how much noise the machine creates when running, and the climate in which the machine will be used. The DeLonghi Pinguino costs about $600, putting it on the higher end of the price spectrum for consumer-level portable air conditioning units. The company says that the easily portable unit can cool a space of up to 700 square feet, operating quietly at near whisper levels. It also comes with a cool surround technology that claims to automatically adjust the output based on the humidity and your position in the room. We wanted to see if it did everything it promises. Setup was straightforward and the instructions were clear. The main hurdle is ensuring that the machine is properly venting out of a window. To do this, you simply attach the hose to the back of the unit and then into the included window kit, which fits into the window. The kit fits from 20 to 47 inches wide. The remote stood out to us because, unlike other competitors that use an infrared beam to connect with the machine, it used Bluetooth, making commanding the unit that much more reliable. And when DeLonghi says that this machine senses where you are, the remote plays a big part in that. Unlike other machines, the Pinguino uses Bluetooth technology to sense exactly where the remote is in the room and adjust the temperature and humidity in that specific area. To test the unit in different environments, we prepared spaces to replicate a bedroom at 180 square feet, as well as a living room space at 320 square feet. We then measured a baseline temperature and humidity reading before turning it on in each space for an hour. In the bedroom space, the unit cooled the room by 9 degrees, and in the living room space, the unit cooled the room by 6 degrees. The humidity was brought down to a comfortable level in both rooms. Overall, it was effective and efficient at lowering the temperature and humidity evenly in both spaces. We also measured the unit's sound output in both high, low, and quiet modes. We first took an ambient noise reading and then powered on the unit, holding the decibel meter 5 feet away. While in high mode, the sound output is comparable to the typical 3-speed fan you could buy at any store. In low, it starts to show its advantage by striking the balance between powerful yet hushed performance, and in quiet mode, it is nearly imperceptible at 5 feet. This machine is easy to use. The buttons on the unit and the remote control are simple and straightforward. DeLonghi's Pinguino is proficient at its intended purpose, cooling and dehumidifying the room in which it was placed. The standout feature is that it adjusted temperature and humidity in tandem to create a comfortable and consistently cool environment. They call it Real Feel, and it makes the room as comfortable as possible without cranking the unit and driving up the power bill. It's a portable air conditioner, but it's also a formidable dehumidifier. It's normal for the Pinguino to collect water in the internal tray, and those in humid climates should be aware that they'll have to empty it more frequently, especially before moving the unit, to avoid spillage. If you live in a low humidity environment, most of the moisture will dissipate without any extra work from you. And if the tray ever becomes too full, the unit will alert you. Naturally, it is possible to move from room to room, but it's heavy at 83 pounds. It was difficult for one person to carry it up the stairs, but the wheels allow it to be easily rolled on the same level without extra hassle. There are some limitations of where it will work best. The machine must be plugged into a 3-prong grounded outlet through its cord that is only 5.5 feet long, and not through an extension cord. Additionally, because portable air conditioners need to be placed in an open space in order to function, you won't be able to tuck it away completely out of sight. Finally, DeLonghi recommends keeping the unit out of the sun and closing the blinds and shades to maximize energy savings. With that said, the Pinguino does have a sleek, simple design, so it won't be an eyesore if it has to become a feature of the room. To recap with the pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi Pinguino is effective at cooling and dehumidifying rooms in the proper conditions. They're ideal for bedrooms because they are generally better suited for the space and closed environment. but they're also useful for open living rooms that might be a little airier. Also, it's just easy to use, which is helpful when it's really hot outside. Now the cons. It would be heavy for one person to move around their home, and shouldn't be regarded as a unit users can regularly move about their house if it has multiple levels. The bottom line, the DeLonghi Pinguino is a powerful, high-end air conditioning machine that can cool and dehumidify rooms while being relatively energy efficient. It's the best of the best option for us if you're seeking a solution to hot summers without central air.